classroom. Today, we will be having a group discussion about, and I am hoping that you are comfortable while watching and listening. Also, you are expected to master our learning objectives. And our session objectives today: first, you have to state your research experiences and knowledge. Second, you have to elaborate the importance of research. And lastly, you have to present examples showing the importance of research. And to start, let us do picture analysis. You have to look at the pictures and analyze the message implied in each picture to fill the missing letters. For the number 1, we have 11 missing letters. For the number 2, we have 7 missing letters. And for the number 3, we have 5 missing letters. So, I will give you 5 seconds to answer each number. Timer starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the answer for the number 1, let me hear from you. You got it right! Research is a collaborative effort. Let us proceed to the number 2. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the answer is, you made it! Research provides solution. And for the last number, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And what is your answer? Precisely! Research is fun! Now, these are my questions. Based on the presented pictures, what research requires us to do? Let me hear from you. Very good! We have to work collaboratively with others to find solutions to our respective problems. Number 2, had you experienced simple research project in your junior high school? Yes? Very good! Simple essay writing and crafting ideas to finish your narrative report are meaningful parts of your research journey in junior high school. You got it right! So, for our activity today, listen to the story that I will tell you. This is entitled, When No One Sees You. Are you ready to listen? Please sit comfortably. Alright, I will start now. When No One Sees You. Once upon a time, there was a secondary school situated in Barangay Mazon that offered one strand only in senior high school. And that was the disadvantage of the said school as compared to the other nearest schools that offer various strands for incoming senior high school students. Aside from the fact that they have no available classrooms, where they were only occupying the computer laboratory for their avenue of learning. The enrollment rate of the said school was drastically decreased into 44.44%. That alarmingly caught the attention of Principal M as a school head. With that, they made possible solution through intensive and integrated marketing approach. They did community mapping, parents consultation, students marketing through video presentations, and career counseling among grade 10 students. After those genuine efforts, they finally encouraged students who were interested to enroll in ABM Strand and to choose the said school as an avenue of their learning in senior high school, and eventually improve their enrollment rate into 308%. That made the researchers realize that when no one sees you, planned actions through research will make you visible, thus will make things possible. Do you like the story? Yes? Very good. Now, try to answer these processing questions in your notebook. Kindly get your notebook and your pen. First question. What is the main problem encountered by Principal M in the story? Number 2. Genuine efforts mentioned in the story are referring to what specific actions? Number 3. What the title of the story implied? Number 4. Do you think research will help people solve specific problems? Why? And last number, had you experienced simple research in your junior high school days? If yes, what is research based on your practical idea? Alright? Are you done? Okay, so let us proceed to our discussion proper. And let us talk about the importance of research. You have to listen carefully to the concepts that I will discuss. And we will start with the 4 importance of research. Always put in mind, research gather relevant information. Research improves quality of life. And research helps us understand history. And lastly, research fueled us to attain personal and professional development. And for the deeper understanding, let us start with the number 1. Research gather relevant information. Why? Because the results of researches are used as a springboard in conducting more researches or in planning new projects. For example, a research on the basic needs of the target customers can help companies develop and market a new line of products. Do you agree? I will give you another example. We all know that coronavirus still poses a significant threat, but there are no vaccines proven to protect the body against the disease it causes. So, medical researchers are working hard to change that. And James Gallagher, a health and science correspondent in BBC News, reported dated July 21, 2020, that the UK government has ordered 100 million doses of a vaccine that is able to trigger an immune response and appears safe. Also, Prince Magtulis of Philstar reported dated August 14, 2020, that coronavirus vaccine has arrived in the Philippines from Russia, aiming to administer Sputnik 5 without undergoing the crucial third phase of typical vaccine development that measures the vaccine's efficacy on a broader population, where Dr. Beaver Tamesis, president of the Pharmaceutical and Healthcare Association of the Philippines, mentioned during phone interview that there is this lack of information about the vaccine that is concerning the public. Anyway, maybe you are wondering why we are so interested with this kind of informations. Again, research gather relevant information to use it as a springboard in programs, plans, or projects of the government or the private sectors in making improvements or developments toward the quality of people's daily life. Always remember that. Okay, for the number 2. Always remember, research improves quality of life. Why? Because Research undertakings are basically geared toward improving the quality of life. The major breakthroughs in the field of communication, transportation, medicine, entertainment, and food and nutrition are all possible because researches are being conducted. Through continuous research, these breakthroughs are further improved to make people's lives convenient and comfortable. Further, during the onset of coronavirus across the globe, researchers, educators, government leaders, private individuals, and scientists conducted various experiments, investigations, strategies, and researches to combat the spread of the coronavirus. People are advised to stay at home and do distance learning modalities are actually initiated to ensure that children are getting quality education while staying safe at home, like what you are doing right now. Is that cleared? Okay, let us now proceed to the third concept. Research understands history. Why? Because understanding history can help us better understand current society and the behavior of the people. Research plays an important role not only in helping us trace our history, but also in understanding and providing possible solutions to the pervading problems of our current society. For example, the 1918 influenza pandemic was the most severe pandemic in recent history. Do you agree? Of course. It was caused by H1N1 virus and spreads worldwide during 1918 to 1919, and it is estimated that about 500 million people, or one-third of the world's population, became infected with this virus and killed an estimated 20 to 50 million victims, including some 675,000 Americans. That is according to History.com. And do you know that during the flu pandemic of 1918, the New York City Health Commissioner tried to slow the transmission of the flu by ordering businesses to open and close and on staggered shifts to avoid overcrowding on the subways. And it was further reported that there were shortage of physicians and other health workers because of that virus. It fueled officials that time to impose quarantines, ordered citizens to wear face masks, and shut down public places, including schools, churches, and theaters. People advised to avoid shaking hands and to stay indoors. That is according to History.com. Again, research is about understanding history. Government officials worldwide today used history of influenza of 1918 to offer suggestions for how to safely and successfully respond to the COVID-19 crisis. Scholars today believe that we can draw many useful lessons from the 1918 to 1919 experience in terms of how to minimize cases, because government leaders understand history. We are all advised to stay at home, wear face masks and face shield in public places, and observe social distancing all the times. Research attain personal and professional development. Always remember that. Research challenges us to become better individuals through the new ideas, perspectives, and skills that we can get when doing research. Personally, you will gain more knowledge and thus widen your perspective about life in general. Professionally, you will not only meet your academic or school requirement, but you will also advance to a more challenging and exciting world of learning. Now, after all those concepts that we discussed, get your notebook and pen and let us do this simple activity. First, try to observe the things around you, including all the materials, appliances, or equipment that made your life comfortable every day. After that, after you identify those things, Fill up each box in your comfort zone. And of course, your comfort zone is your home. On the top of the roof, we have here, research is important in my life because blank. Alright? Then, on the left side, things in my house that are invented due to careful research work. List down at least 5. And then to the right side, as senior high school student, research is important because, okay, are you done? Have you completed the task? Yes? Very good. So let us proceed now to our quick assessment. Be ready. I will read the statement and the choices. For the number 1, the results of research are used as a blank in conducting more researches or in planning new projects. Letter A, springboard. Letter B, future plan. Letter C, draft. Or letter D, program. Number 2, research undertakings are basically geared toward improving blank. A, quality of life. B, self and profession. C, program. Or D, history. Number 3, understanding our history can help us better understand our current society and the blank of the people. A, action. B, thinking. C, speaking. Or D, behavior. Number 4, research challenges us to become better individuals through the new ideas, blank and blank. A, perspective and skills. B, perspective and manners. C, knowledge and values. Or D, knowledge and vision. Last number. Research is a collaborative effort that aims to produce meaningful outputs. It widens your perspective about life in general. Letter A, both statements are true. Letter B, both statements are false. Letter C, the first statement is true, the second statement is false. Or letter D, the first statement is false, the second statement is true. Are you done? Alright, let us proceed to your assignment. Based on the discussion and activities given in today's session, try to list down at least 5 characteristics of research. Congratulations! You successfully finished our today's session. Thank you for your active participation. Stay safe at home and enjoy your writing, everyone.